Hey guys, welcome to Target Expedition. Today we are heading towards Kallar Kahar, located in Jhelum, Punjab, Pakistan. So stay tuned to our video. So guys, we have reached Kallar Kahar Lake. Right opposite the Kallar Kahar Lake is a hill that leads us towards the Throne of Babur. We also had earlier uploaded a video about Throne of Babur, which you will get in the link in the description box below. So as we continue and further toward a hidden treasure, a small waterfall in the jungle, these stairways will lead us up towards the fall. Here you see is the Kallar Kahar Lake right in front of the hills. The whole landscape is so remarkable. The path is full of pebbles and on one side is a wall made of some sort of stone, giving it an antique look. First, after climbing these steps, you will reach the Throne of Babur in the left. And as we continue over the hill, there is a path leading towards the right where you will find yourself surrounded in the jungle. The area is full of bushes and wilderness. We also came to know this area is also a habitat of peacocks and no one would literally harm them. On the way further, we had to cross a stony, rocky, and slippery but dangerous path to reach here. So finally guys, we have found a small precious jewel in the hidden jungle, or you might want to say in the hills. The surrounding area is so tranquil, peaceful, and quiet, just the sound of the fall that reawakes your soul. That's what I love about nature, that distracts one from the worldly pressures and stress, would get you caught in its charm. It's a rarely known place, but I highly put forward this on my list as a must-visit place. Thank you for watching our video. We will soon come back with more explorations. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated about the latest. Thank you. Goodbye.